Hello there, Bouncy. I recently evaluated a very windy floor humidifier. Are you also looking forward to it? I am very satisfied with the details. The connection between the water tank and the machine head is very tight. The water tank has a capacity of 9 liters and it is very convenient to add water. Open the lid directly on top of us. Join one of our tap water. After adding tap water, we can then put a lid on. The functions on the face screen are very complete. You can satisfy any function you want. Our materials still have 3 gears that can be adjusted. We also have a remote control. Our remote control can also adjust the fog volume. And one of our timing functions. To be honest, this humidifier is very easy to use. It also looks very good at home. Utility is also online. Bouncy who prefers this style can consider it. If there's anything you want to know, you can ask me in the comment area. See you next time.